Hello everyone, welcome to Citation Builder Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can utilize white label subdomain in GMB Health Checker. So let's open one of the report. So this is one of the report. If we open this report, we can see that we are showing the name of our website, that is the citationbuilderpro.com. In case if you want to view this particular report using your own subdomain, then it is possible. Depending on your plan, that particular feature is available to you. To do the same or to activate the white label subdomain, go to the setting. From here, select the white label subdomain. Here, what you need to do is you need to add your subdomain name. For example, in this particular case, I will add gmb dot. This is one of the name, and I will give a report name. Then what I need to do is I need to map this particular report with this particular IP. So what I will do, I will go to my DNS manager. I'm using GoDaddy. It may possible that you are using some different domain name provider. The process is same, just maybe the UI is different, or you can communicate with your hosting provider and they will help you with that one. So now I'm going to simply going to add a one record, and here what I am going to do is I am going to add a then I'm going to add the IP address. I'm so sorry. And in TTL I'm going to give maybe 600 depending on the Google. So what exactly it will do, it will create a subdomain .gmb.mh20.in, and it will be mapped to this particular IP. Let's click on add record. Here we can see the record is added. Now what we need to do is we need to make sure that this particular GMB listing, I'm so sorry. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that this particular DNS record is reflected. What we are going to do is we are going to a website dnschecker.org. Here first what we will do, we will check the website. We will see if the DNS is pointed. Here we can see the DNS is pointed to the correct IP, and so this is the IP address to which it is pointed. Once it is pointed, then within few hours, probably within couple of hours, your report will get branded under your domain name. Now click on the submit button. Now the domain is added successfully. Now let's navigate to the GMB Health Checker. Meanwhile, our technical team will point this particular domain in our internal system so you can start utilizing the reports. Let's wait for a few minutes and I will try to show you how we can view the reports. Okay, so I received a message from Citation Builder Pro that that subdomain white labeling process is completed. You will receive the notification once the domain is reflected in our settings. Now let's try to refresh the page and we will try to preview this particular report. Here we can see now this particular report is using the name of my new domain. It is not using the name of Citation Builder Pro. So this way we can utilize this white label subdomain feature in the GMB Health Checker. Thank you very much.